This time, we arrive at Lake Tyres, a lake that creates a magnificent river system that stretches for kilometers. It's teeming with life, and the infamous Dusky Flathead roams the waters around here. Join me in this 3-part series trying to catch one myself while exploring the beauties that Lake Tyres have to offer.
Still on.
Catch this little brimble.
Yeah, fish on.
Nice little one.
Not bad, Zeppelin. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a flatty. No way.
Where you see a steep bank like that, so see the bank's steep?
Yeah.
Steep? It's deep over this side. So that's a steep bank there, so it's deep over this side. See, this is all flat here. So that's going to be really shallow water.
Correct.
So for the flatheads, that's where you want to be fishing.
They like shallow water,
They
don't
love
they?
it. Yeah, they get in there on the, with the sun on them. Just around the corner here, there's quite a real mud flat here, and you get some big flathead. But if you want a meal, well, there's no point catching those because you've got to put them back.
Yeah, exactly.
They're fun. Yeah, it's a bit of fun to.
Oh yeah, good fight wouldn't be bad.
Well, for flatheads, you don't eat them?
No, you can only catch them between 32 and 54, I think.
55, yeah.
55.
But are they're good eating when you do catch them in that size?
There's no better fish to eat.
If we go to the market or we go to the fishmongers and you have a look and you've got like the salmon and everything, you've got flathead, $55 a kilo, you just look at it and you just go, I'm not paying that.
Just get them
Exactly, go catch it yourself.
What the real problem has become here over the last 5 years or so is getting the fish that are in that zone.
Yeah.
Like there's either small ones or you just can't get one that's small enough. I don't even like keeping them when they're say near 50. You can get them at 55 or 55 centimetres. After that you've got to put them back. But even at 500, like 50 centimetres.
So they start tasting not the best when they're a bit too big. Is that what happens?
Not just that, I just reckon they're getting that close to being breeders, because that's the reason that they say. And the best tasting ones are like 35 centimetres.
Yeah.
I became Australia under-16s Australia and Victoria Flathead and Brim champion.
Oh, no way!
Serious? Congratulations!
Good job, mate. That's amazing. Yeah. That's not a small feat. That's really good.
Yeah, I won with probably, I think it was 1.2 meters.
Yeah.
Put all the flathead and brim on the mat, take a photo, send it to the reel it in.
You're catching flatheads, that's better than me, mate.
Yeah, Hattie's tried to fish all week and he hasn't caught one thing yet. So.
I've just been going plastics, I haven't tried baits yet.
Oh yeah.
There you go, man. Your dad said you like these.
Thank you.
You're welcome, man. Enjoy. So how would you put the shrimp on?
What I'm doing is I'm going through and then having it go like that and then just stabbing it through again just like that, so it ends up like that.
Alright.
And then I just fold it down a bit. And yeah. It's really good. Wow! It didn't hurt! They just like sticking in the shallow because a tree fell, so they're eating all the shrimp and that.
Thanks.
Go to school. Yeah, I was going to say, go to
Oh,
school.
that was close. Oh, they stole it!
Oh, how long?
No way!
6 metres.
What do you reckon that was? Because that wouldn't be a flatty, would it?
Nah, because Howl's just like constantly, flathead normally get it and just go.
Yeah, they just swallow the whole thing, don't they?
Yeah, they just swallow it and just go.
Yeah.
But with the brim, they actually take bite.
Oh, there we go. Look at that. No.
Did you see the swell?
Yeah, I saw it.
What's your name?
Damn.
Really making me want to swim.
Yeah, fish on, fish on.
No, it's brim, yeah.
There we go. Yeah, a brim.
Oh, look at that.
He's done this Nice little one.
Not bad, Zeppelin. Beautiful fish though.
Yeah. He's slow enough.
Oh, he was fast.
Yeah.
He was keen on going back home. All right, Zeppelin, that was amazing. Thanks for that.
Thanks, guys.
That's it. New bag of bait. Another couple hours of fishing, Zeppelin.
Yep.
Have a good one, mate.
Yep. Bye.
We'll see you guys. Overhead instead.
There we go. That's the one.
Yeah,
So
there
let
you
that
go.
drop. Well, it's a good weight. That jig you've got. Yeah, the hook and the hook and the sinker is a good weight there. So it'll drop down quick.
Then quick.
Yeah. So once it's down, so let it hit the bottom again each time. Just up again.
How do you know when it's hit the bottom?
Oh, well, just normally you'll see the line collapse, which it's already done, but it's just time. Just let it. So what I do when I'm jigging is pull the line up, don't reel for the moment, now let it back down, and now do a little reel. That's it.
Pull it up.
Yep, pull it up. Yep. So the idea is you're creating movement off the bottom for the flathead to see, and often the flathead won't hit it until it goes back down and hits the ground again. Till it thinks, oh, something's in trouble there. I can get that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so it's not often you'll get it on the move. It's when you let it back down, and it hits the bottom again. Then the flathead goes, oh, little fish in trouble. Bang. That's it. Centimetres to that's
Oh wow.
perfect to eat.
Perfect size. It's a male, which is good.
Some people like to gloat about how big they are, but
Yeah, I get
Terry
annoyed.
likes them to eat.
I get annoyed when I get big fish.
We're up in Darwin, and there's friggin' ugly cows in Darwin. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. They're the grey ones.
But most fish I've seen move have been that close.
Yeah,
I love videos.
so that's the mullet you're seeing.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
The only thing is, I haven't fished this tank for a while, and it looks like there's a lot of weed on it, which is not such a bad thing. But
Drifting.
Those cows.
no, you're right.
Paddy, what's the species of cow called that's like really furry and then got like the little horns? They're all over Sweden.
Moo cow.
You know what ones I'm talking about? The real fluffy kind of cow.
Yeah, I know which one you're talking about, but I don't know what they're called. I think they're like either from England or Iceland or somewhere.
What are they even good for? Like, what do they use those cows for? You know?
Well, what do we use old cows for, pretty much? Milk, meat, or...
There we go. We're on.
Oh, you're on!
Oh, nice.
Don't tell me.
This is the net. This is a good fish.
Oh, it's a flatty. Look at that.
Step back.
Yeah, that's a good eating size.
Oh, look at that.
So, how do you get your rod in and just get it in there?
You reckon?
Yeah,
You just took it. If you know, these got like bass, they got like really sharp spines, yeah, and on the back of the gill.
Literally perfect size.
sorry.
It was weird that they did that. Makes it hard if you're alone.
Yeah. Whatever. All scaled, all done, all ready to eat. That's so much meat.
Yep.
2 of these and you got like a gourmet dinner.
Alright, babe, let's go.
Alright. Damn, son. Got 99 problem, but meat ain't one. Yeah, no way. There we go. Did you just catch a flathead with your net? Oh, that's massive.
Yeah, look at that thing.